little sister Ling's second birthday. And I'm gonna make her a treat by combining two of her favorite desserts together, fruit and jelly, to make the prettiest and easiest vegan fruit jelly that any little kid can make. Now these are our ingredients: Vietnamese Jelly Powder, Konnyaku powder or Agar powder, water, sugar, flavouring of your choice. Peach and lychee are my favorites. Fruits such as strawberries, oranges that are segmented, grapes, blueberries, raspberries, edible flowers and fresh herbs. As for the tools, we need molds, a whisk and strainers. Before we get started, I would like to introduce this amazing vegan Vietnamese jelly powder. It is made from seaweed and the jelly is crystal clear. I bought it from this lovely lady called Fleur at Fleur 3D Jelly Shop. You can get it online too. If you are unable to get the Vietnamese jelly powder, Agar or Konnyaku jelly powder work just fine, although the jelly might not be as clear. Now let's get cooking! Follow the instructions on the packet and make the jelly solution. A few things to note. I usually use about 120 grams of sugar to 1 liter of water because I find the amount of sugar written on the packets make the jellies too sweet. When the sugar is melted, add the flavor of your choice. It is also important to remove the bubbles and filter the jelly solution. Next, let the jelly solution cool down so that the fruits and edible flowers won't get cooked when we pour the jelly solution over it. In the meantime, let's prepare the fruits. First, cut the tops of the strawberries. Then, using a mold of your choice, gently arrange the cut strawberries with the pointy side facing up. Insert the mint between the strawberries. Do the same with the rest of the fruits, inserting either fresh herbs or edible flowers in the gaps. Gently pour in a thin layer of jelly solution so that only the fruits are covered. Let the solution cool completely to room temperature, and it will hold the fruits and the flowers or herbs in place. Do not attempt to fill the whole mold with jelly solution because the fruits and flowers will float to the top. After the jelly solidifies, top up the pan with more jelly solution. Allow the jelly to cool completely. Turn it out after a few hours. And ta-da! Lane, come here. Look what I made for you. Crystal clear vegan fruit and flower jellies. Gelatin free. They are refreshing, gorgeous, and absolutely easy to make. Yay! I hope you like them. Happy birthday, darling Lane. Happy birthday, Minion. That's all for now. See you next time. Bye-bye. See you next time. Happy birthday.